Good morning. Friday the 18th, 9:07, about 23 minutes before session opens. Gonna go take it easy today, nothing complicated. Solar wind together with EOB ordering, trading the pullback trades. And what I'll want to see is a bar touching the pullback area, and then I will activate, in case of a long, buy on bar close to the upside. Why do that? Well, for example, if you just look a little back, this would have been a losing trade if I just entered, but there was no bar closing up, so that was canceled. Here would have been a losing trade, again, but there was no bar closing down, so there was no trade. So this tool, together with an indicator like solar wind, is just a great combination. Because solar wind is excellent at identifying trends and pullbacks, and then you just need a tool like this to confirm. You don't necessarily, most of the time it's fine, but you don't necessarily just want to, enter a pullback trade simply because price touches a pullback area. You might want a confirmation, and that's why a tool like this, like the EOB ordering, is so helpful. Before I forget, because the things will get crazy and I'm going to forget, someone asked me about the template to use, the money management. Really very simple. You have two contracts. First target is at 12 ticks. Stop, I believe, is 60 ticks. But after hitting the first target and you cover half a position, the second contract, let's see now if we can have a touch, and I will activate. Let's see, also 1 second. All right, so I'm going to activate now the long side. Let's see if we have a bar close up. This is going to be our first trade. Right, so okay, again, first contract targets 12 ticks. Second contract, so when first target is hit, stop goes to break even on a second contract, and then the second target, I believe, is 30 ticks. I think it's 30 ticks. I don't even remember, but you're going to see here. You're going to see it here. So again, not just taking an immediate long just because price is touching the pullback area. Going to want a confirmation by a bar closing up. This, by the way, is a 12-4 brick for the ninZaRenko. So you see again why this is so beneficial. Again, maybe if we can make
order filled.
There we go. There was not just a long here, because then we would be taking heat. There is a confirmation. So you see how that first target is at 12 ticks. Here is the second target. Break even is going to go. I'm sorry, second contract is going to go. Here we go. It's a break even plus one, actually. It's break even plus one. So that's what happens. So beautiful. I mean, easy way, really. You have the solar wind, you have EOB ordering. It's Friday in August, and I'm not looking for anything complicated. I'm going to take a few of these trades.
Buy signal 2.
Sorry. if I take,
Stop filled.
Yeah, just like a quick scalp here. That's okay. That's okay. We're going to start like that and then just kind of keep going throughout the day. So solar wind combination with EOB ordering, great way to trade. So just gonna be trading this for today. All right, so once again, here is the pullback, but I'm not just gonna get in. I'm gonna wait for a bar close before a change of trend. Right, so that's why this tool is so helpful. Very helpful tool. If we have a change of trend, then I will disable the buy on bar up, close up. I shouldn't say just bar close, but bar close up. Here we go, disabled. So you see how this tool, EOB ordering, kept us out of this losing pullback trade. This one worked out beautifully, and this one no trade. And that's how you really want to trade. That is excellent. Okay, going another bar close up for the pullback.
Order filled.
Nice higher, very
Stop
quick.
filled.
All right, got us out again. Like I said, guys, I can do this all day long. It doesn't matter, you know. I mean, I'm missing out because of the tight money management, and you don't need such a tight money management. That's just my approach, you know, with a bit more of a liberal, let's say, getting to break even idea. You could catch much bigger moves than I am catching here. The idea is you see a pullback. The pullback trades in solar wind are phenomenal trades, phenomenal. And with the help of like EOB ordering, you can confirm that indeed this is a pullback and not just like in other places, just an outright change in trend. So it does help. Now, I didn't do it here, but this would have helped again, right? Here is the pullback, but there is no bar that closes up. You see? That's why this is so crucial, really a crucial tool to help you trade. A great indicator.
NQ, sell signal 1.
Sorry, a great indicator like the solar wind here. Okay.
Order filled.
It is. Okay, nice. Come on, run up, run up, run up. Here we go, running up. Go up there. Go up there.
Stop filled.
All right, okay, all right. Slowly but surely, getting there, getting there. Maybe it will not.
Order submitted.
Oh no.
Order
Here we
filled.
go. Come on. Hit me, hit me.
Stop filled.
Oh, come on. They're no fun. All right. Okay, gonna wait some more.
Order filled.
It is. Now up we go. There it is. Oh no, I wasn't
Target
filled.
filled.
Thank goodness. Okay. It happens sometimes. They touch my price. They don't fill me. You know, come on, a run up, run up, a run
Stop
up.
filled.
No, not a run up. All right, maybe I'll take a small break here. Just get some coffee, stuff, relax. Great first, about 40 minutes of trading here. Solar wind, together with EOB ordering, great combination. You know, if you can stay on your feet. This is kind of a fast time frame. I'm really considering increasing the brick size, maybe like 18.6 possibly. Maybe it will be better. I'll try it out. This is fine if you are faster. In other words, you need to. That's what happened to me, and I forgot to press the recording button. Just really kind of focused on this to get in the trade, and just forgot to record. But great start so far. I mean, this is just the first 40 minutes. I mean, can I really ask for more than this? Very well done here. Okay, so let's see if I can get in.
Order filled.
Okay, just made it. Just made it. All right. Nice move up. Got a retracement. Let's go hit some targets.
NQ, buy signal 1.
Here we go.
Stop filled.
Yeah, small steps, small steps. That's all right. At least I remember to put the recording on this time. Well, I thought of going back to trading after 2 o'clock, but you know what? It's a Friday. It's a beautiful day in central New York, and I'm gonna go ride my horse. I'm just gonna have nice, relaxing time. So, it's possible I missed recording my last trade. I have to take a look, but it's possible that I messed it up, and I thought I clicked the record button, and I didn't. In any case, this is the result for today. Nothing impressive as far as I kept getting stopped after the first target. Just couldn't catch any runs today, and that's absolutely fine. Again, my ATM, you can come up with a better one. I'm using the one with a quick break-even kind of deal, because I just want to secure profits and not have any risk. But I know I leave a lot of money on the table, so that's fine. In any case, I received a couple of emails, saying, you know what, okay, fine, you trade these indicators, but you have all this drawdown available, and the rest of us have to pass evaluations, and we have a brand new funded account. So would you be able to use your approach to pass evaluations if you had to start again? So I said, you know what, there's no point of me saying anything. How about I'll just do it? So over the weekend, I'll purchase either 150,000...
NQ, sell signal 1.
Sorry, either 150,000 or a 250,000 evaluation account. I do need drawdown. I mean, unless I'm trading micros, I do need drawdown, because I do draw down. So it will be either 150,000 or 250. I'll see what's available. Let's see who offers the best deal and whatnot. And then I'll be using that account to trade whatever indicator I'm trading, and see if I can pass it, right? So instead of me coming up with hypotheticals, I can just do it here in front of you, right? So that's for next week. Sorry, these notifications. Hope you had fun. If you did, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to look in the description. Very, very important. I hope this helped you. Let me know if it did. Have a great weekend, and enjoy.